The Peugeot Rifter, launched in 2018 as the successor to the Peugeot partner TP, is a highly practical multi-purpose vehicle, MPV, designed on the EMP2 platform. It combines van-like utility with SUV-inspired styling, such as black plastic cladding and a raised ride height. The Rifter features Peugeot's icockpit design, which includes a small, sporty steering wheel and a raised instrument binnacle for easier viewing while driving. Practical interior details include Magic Flat rear seats that fold into the floor to create a completely flat loading area, storage, ample solutions including an overhead storage shelf and a large central console, on higher trims. Tailgate, a large one-piece rear door, often featuring an independently opening window for quick access to the boot.